In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create slow motion in Clipchamp. If you've ever wanted to add that dramatic flair or just see things in a bit slower detail, slow motion is a cool effect to use. So let's get started by heading over to clipchamp.com. It's a popular user-friendly tool for video editing right in your browser. Once you're on the Clipchamp homepage, take a moment to sign in if you already have an account. All you need to do is click on the sign in button. If you're using Microsoft to log in, go ahead and click on continue with Microsoft. This should take just a few seconds, and then select your Microsoft account from the list or enter your credentials if prompted. Once your account is authorized, you'll be taken to the Clipchamp home interface. Now this is where the magic begins. You're going to create a new video project by clicking on that create a new video button. Next, you need the footage you want to slow down. So let's import that media. Look for the import media option, usually available on the main interface, and click on it to upload your desired video file from your device. After importing, your video should now appear in the media section. To start editing, drag and drop that video file right onto the timeline. This is where you can manipulate and adjust your video projects. Once you've got your video lined up neatly on the timeline, click on the video directly. By clicking, you'll bring up various editing tools, including our key feature today, speed. To create a slow motion effect, navigate to the speed settings. Typically this is located on the right panel or part of the toolbar options. Here you'll see an adjustable speed slider. For our purposes, you want to lower the speed. Adjust this to about 0.5. This is usually a good setting for clear and smooth slow motion. Keep in mind, lowering the speed too much might make the video appear choppy. Testing is key here. Once you're satisfied with the speed adjustment, take a moment to preview your video by playing it back. If it looks good and maintains the quality you're aiming for, congratulations, you've just created a video with a slow motion effect. If you'd like to refine further, you can always make small tweaks until everything feels just right. And there you have it, a simple, straightforward way to add a slow motion effect to your videos using Clipchamp. It adds that extra layer of emotion or excitement, perfect for special moments. Thanks for watching and happy editing.